Myself CS Patel from MCGM Virtual Class welcome all of you. Due to the global pandemic, this year's educational session is being affected. In such a situation, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has taken an initiative to provide every student online education. So let's get started. Okay, now standard 9th. Yes, you are seeing my English course book standard 9. Okay, students, sir. So subject English. And today's lesson is lesson number 2.1 comparisons poem. Okay, students, sir. So we will practice this poem today, comparisons. And students, myself from Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. Okay, students, so now see the poem comparisons. And students, you are seeing the title of the poem is comparisons. And students, you are seeing, see students, at the last you are seeing anonymous. Yes, anonymous means students, the poem is composed by an anonymous means unknown poet. But students, this poem is very good. And about special feature, if we want to say that this poem is about comparisons between two things that have opposite qualities but none less important. The poet has used various adjectives to show shape, size, temperature, speed, etc. for comparisons between two things. So we'll see in this poem line by line. So now see further. See students, in the beginning, fast as a spaceship. See students, fast as spaceship. Now see the comparison. Slow as a snail. Slow as a snail. So students, keep in your mind, when we compare two things, they must have at least one common feature. Yes, at least one common feature. And yes, students, when we compare a spaceship, see students, and a snail, we consider only their speed. Okay. Now see further. Big as a dinosaur. Big as a dinosaur. And small as a snail. Small as a nail. See students, see here, small as a nail. Yes, we say nail. Yes, in our mother tongue we can say heel too. But see students, if I say about comparison, so we are comparing size. Yes, and students, we can say nail here too. Yes, so keep in your mind, we are saying about comparison, and in this we are saying size. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, yes, fires as a tiger. Fires as a tiger. Fires means angry, very angry, and wild, very angry. Yes, you are seeing tiger, fires as a tiger. Gentle as a lamb. gentle as a lamb. Students, see here, we are seeing nature means fierce as tiger and gentle as a lamb. So see the comparison here, and that is in nature. Okay, so keep in your mind, when we compare two things, they must have at least one common feature, and in it we are seeing nature. By nature, yes. Now see further, sour as a lemon, sour as a lemon. See, sour as a lemon, and sweet as jam, sweet as jam. Now students, see here, sour as a lemon, sweet as jams. So we are seeing taste here. Yes. So what's common in both? Yes, you are seeing taste. So taste of lemon and taste of jam. Yes, so keep in your mind, when we compare two things, they must have at least one common feature. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, see further. Dry as the desert. See students, see the image, image of desert. We see everywhere sand, everywhere sand. Now see, yes, more temperature in desert. Yes, it's too hot. Yes, in deserted area you are seeing. Now wet as the sea. Now students, see, wet as the sea. So what's common? And yes, dry as the desert and wet as the sea. So state, yes, or you can say state or condition. So dry as the desert, wet as the sea. Okay, so keep in your mind, when we compare two things, they must have at least one common feature. So yes, we are comparing here, dry as the desert, wet as the sea. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now see further. Square as a house, square as a house, and round as a pea. Square as a house. Yes, students, you are seeing. So square, what is square? A shape that has four straight, yes, side, that has four straight side, square. But students, see further, round, round as a pea. So yes, what are you seeing here? Yes, we are seeing here, see, square as a house, round as a pea. So yes, what's common? Shape. Okay, so keep in your mind, shape is common here, right? Okay, now see the next one. Cool as a cave, cool as a cave. See the image, cool as a cave, and warm as toast, warm as toast. So cool as a cave and warm as toast. So what are you seeing here? We are seeing here, what's common? That's temperature. Yes, so that's temperature. cool as a cave, warm as toast. Okay, so keep in your mind. Noisy as a road drill. So students, you are seeing a man who is working on the road. See the equipment. Yes, so if he drills, too much sound is there. So noisy as a road drill. Noisy as a road drill and quiet as a ghost. So students, one word is there, ghost. So yes, what is ghost? So students, it's imaginary and the spirit of a dead person. Yes, the spirit of a dead person is called ghost and it's imaginary. It is true or not? It's very, we can say that what's right or wrong, but it's imaginary. Okay, so keep in your mind, quiet as a ghost. So what are you seeing? What are we seeing here? So students, we are seeing here, yes, sound, noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost. So yes, we compare two things. When we compare two things, they must have at least one common feature, and that sound here. So noisy and quiet. Yes, you are seeing. Okay, now see further. Strong as an ox. See students, strong as an ox. So ox is very strong. You are seeing, strong as an ox. Yes, see in the image how the strong ox is. Weak as a kitten. Weak as a kitten. See students, strong as an ox, weak as kitten. So yes, you are seeing, strong as an ox, weak as kitten. So yes, what are you seeing here common? And that is power. Yes, so see the power of, yes, ox, and see the power of kitten. Yes, so yes, we are comparing here power. So strong as an axe, strong as an ox, and weak as kitten. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now see further. Hard as a rock. Hard as a rock and soft as a mitten. See students, hard as a rock and weak, soft as a mitten. So what is mitten? So students, a kind of glove, यानी एक प्रकार का दस्ताना बच्चों जो हाथ में पहनते हैं, that is called mitten. So hard as a rock, soft as a mitten. So what are we comparing here? So students, yes, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten. So state, yes. So keep in mind. Now we'll see further. Dark as a tunnel. Dark as a tunnel, light as the moon. Dark as a tunnel, light as a moon. Okay, so students, yes, when we compare two things, they must have at least one common feature. And students, what are you seeing here? Dark as a tunnel, light as the moon. So yes, we are seeing here light. Yes, light. So keep in mind. Now see further. Night time, midnight. Night time, midnight. Daytime, noon. So night time, midnight. See students, night time, midnight. So in this poem we are seeing alliteration, figures of speech, and students see here night time, midnight. So see T sound, yes, T sound here. So it's alliteration, जिसे हिंदी में कहते हैं अलंकार, राइट? तो अनुप्रास अलंकार, नाइट टाइम, मिडनाइट. Okay, night time, midnight, and daytime, noon. So yes, we are comparing here time. Yes, so time is common here. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now we'll see further. Tall as a giant. Tall as a giant. Short as an elf. Short as an elf. So students, tall as a giant, short as an elf. So yes, we are comparing here height. Yes, tall as a giant, short as an elf. So yes, we are comparing here height, and means height is common here, right? Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, see further in this poem. Crooked as a mountain path. Crooked as a mountain path. Crooked means students not straight. Means not straight means in our mother tongue we say टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. So अगर माउंटेन पाथ की, पाथ मीन्स रोड, जो सड़कें हैं स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं माउंटेन पे टेढ़ी मेढ़ी होती हैं, क्रुक, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रुक्ड. ओके, सो कीप इन योर माइंड. एंड स्ट्रेट एज अ सेल्फ. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट स्ट्रेट, so see just like so, straight, yes, straight as a self. Okay, so yes, so we are comparing here shape. Yes, crooked as a mountain path and straight as a self. Okay students, so students, central idea of the poem we will see at last. Okay, see, the world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. Students, central idea of this poem is the world is full of opposites. The poet make comparison between two things which are sometimes very important in our life. Okay students, so poet is not known. Yes, poet is anonymous, but he is giving message to us that the world is full of opposites. So think of some yourself. Means students, you have to think about this, whatever we have read in this poem. Okay students, so I think now students, you are able to speak, you are able to think about yourself. Means students, you have to think about opposites. Yes, so now students, after reading this poem you are able, I think. So students, subscribe BMC channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. Students, we have completed today's session, so work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.